In this video, how to use a stick burner for tea. Then add water, then boil again, then drink some tea, add water, boil again. So you do just that for, until you are done basically. Once the water has boiled, it's time to rinse and warm up the teaware. After adding the leaves, just boil the tea with a low heat for a few minutes. After pouring the tea, you can keep the kettle here with no heat, or then you can put it to the stove with low heat, and it's good to open the lid a little bit so it will not overflow. Ruvetaanko hörsimään? Hörsimään teet. Joo. And then after a while, let's have more tea. The kettle has still like 100 to 200 milliliter of tea inside, but it's nice to add some more water at this point. And at this point it's good to add some more firewood so it will boil faster. Drink some tea, then add water, then boil again, then drink some tea, add water, boil again. So you do just that for, until you are done basically. In the beginning you don't really need to boil the tea for a long time, but you just kind of bring it up to a boil and then pour it. But then later in the session, when you have added more water, you can boil it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever feels good. The downside of a stick burner is that when it's windy, it doesn't work so well. So I recommend using some sort of wind protection like this backpack. How to keep the rhythm up if you are adding water, and when to add water, how much to add water, and how to make it suitable for the amount of people that you are drinking with. One danger is that the tea becomes way too strong, especially with younger Shengpo The most suitable teas for boiling tea outdoors for me are Liu Bao and Shopur. Of course, other heicha or dark tea, these are pretty good. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.